Light, Reflection and Refraction, A Journey Through Light, Class 10 Science, Physics, Part 1st, Reflection, Understanding how light behaves, from bouncing off surfaces to bending as it passes through different mediums. Introduction to light. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. Light travels in straight lines. Light exhibits dual nature, wave and particle. Defining reflection. Definition: the bouncing back of light when it strikes a surface. Analogy: imagine throwing a ball against a wall, it bounces back. Light does the same. Key elements: incident ray, the light ray striking the surface; reflected ray, the light ray bouncing back from the surface; normal, an imaginary line perpendicular at 90 degrees to the surface at the point of incidence. It's crucial for understanding the angles. Laws of reflection. Law 1. The angle of incidence, I, is always equal to the angle of reflection, R. Law 2. The incident ray, reflected ray and normal are in same plane. Types of reflection. Regular reflection, also called specular reflection. Description: regular reflection occurs when light strikes a very smooth, polished surface, like a mirror. Outcome: parallel incident rays reflect as parallel reflected rays, leading to clear, sharp images. Example: mirrors, still water. Diffuse reflection, also called irregular reflection. Description: diffuse reflection occurs when light strikes a rough or uneven surface. Outcome: parallel incident rays reflect in different directions, scattering the light. No clear image is formed. Example: walls, clothes, paper. This is why we can see non-shiny objects from many angles. Plane mirror image formation. Definition: a flat, polished reflecting surface, image formation by a plane mirror, virtual image, the image appears to be behind the mirror. You can't project it onto a screen. Erect image, the image is upright, just like the object. Same size, the image is the same size as the object. Same distance, the image is formed as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Laterally inverted, the image is flipped horizontally, left appears right, and right appears left. Try standing in front of a mirror and raising your right hand, your image raises its left hand. Introduction to spherical mirrors. Definition: mirrors whose reflecting surface is a part of a hollow sphere. Types of spherical mirrors. Concave mirror, reflecting surface is curved inwards, like the inside of a spoon. It brings parallel rays of light together to a point, that's why it is a converging mirror. Convex mirror, reflecting surface is curved outwards, like the back of a spoon. It spreads out parallel rays of light, that's why it is a diverging mirror. Terminology for spherical mirrors. Center of curvature. See the center of the sphere from which the mirror is a part. Radius of curvature are the radius of the sphere. The distance between the pole and the center of curvature. Pole, P, the center of the reflecting surface of the mirror. Terminology for spherical mirrors. Principal axis, the straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature. Principal focus, F, the point on the principal axis where parallel rays of light converge after reflection. Concave mirror, or appear to diverge from. Convex mirror, focal length, F, the distance between the pole and the principal focus, F is equal to R by 2. Ray tracing rules for concave mirror. Rule 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, passes through the principal focus, F. Rule 2. A ray passing through the principal focus, F, after reflection, becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. A ray passing through the center of curvature, C, after reflection, is reflected back along the same path. Rule 4. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis, towards the pole, P, is reflected obliquely, making the same angle with the principal axis. Concave mirror image formation cases. Case 1. Object at infinity, image at F, focus, nature, real, inverted, highly diminished, point size. Case 2. Object beyond C, image, between F and C, nature, real, inverted and diminished. Case 3. Object at C, image, at C, nature, real, inverted, same size. Case 4. Object between C and F, image, beyond C, nature, real, inverted, enlarged. Case 5. Object at F, image, at infinity, nature, real, inverted, highly enlarged. Case 6. Object between F and P, image, behind the mirror, nature, virtual, erect, enlarged. This is why concave mirrors are used as shaving mirrors. Ray tracing rules for convex mirror. Rule 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, appears to diverge from the principal focus, F. Rule 2. A ray directed towards the principal focus, F, after reflection, becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule 3. A ray directed towards the center of curvature, C, after reflection, is reflected back along the same path. Rule 4. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards the pole, P, is reflected obliquely, making the same angle with the principal axis. Convex mirror image formation. Case 1. Object at infinity, image, at F, behind the mirror, nature, virtual, erect, highly diminished, point size. Case 2. Object between pole, P, and infinity, image, between P and F, behind the mirror, nature, virtual, erect, diminished. Key takeaway: convex mirrors always form virtual, erect, and diminished images, regardless of the object's position. This makes them useful as rearview mirrors in vehicles. Uses of spherical mirrors. Concave mirror uses: shaving mirrors, makeup mirrors, magnified, erect image, dentist's mirrors, magnified image of teeth, headlights of cars, searchlights, produce powerful parallel beam of light, solar furnaces, concentrate sunlight at focus. Convex mirror uses: rearview mirrors in vehicles, wider field of view, virtual image, shop security mirrors, to view large area. New Cartesian sign convention. Purpose: to consistently apply formulas for mirror calculations. Rules: origin, pole, P, is taken as the origin, 0, 0, principal axis, x-axis, distances measured from the pole, distances measured in the direction of incident light are positive, distances measured opposite to the direction of incident light are negative. Height, above principal axis, positive, below principal axis, negative. Important points: focal length of concave mirror is negative, F. Focal length of convex mirror is positive, F. Mirror formula. Formula: V1U1 is equal to F1, where V is equal to image distance, distance of image from the pole, U is equal to object distance, distance of object from the pole, F is equal to focal length of the mirror. Remember to use proper sign conventions. Magnification. Definition: the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. It tells us how much the image is enlarged or diminished. Formula: M is equal to HH dash is equal to UV, where M is equal to magnification, H dash is equal to height of the image, H is equal to height of the object, V is equal to image distance, U is equal to object distance. Interpreting magnification: M is greater than 1, image is enlarged, M is less than 1, image is diminished, M is equal to 1, image is of same size, positive M, image is erect and virtual, negative M, image is inverted and real. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.